here for the last race in the IMSA Championship and my first race in IMSA, so I'm looking forward to it. We're driving all sorts of different things, drove at Le Mans and an LMDh car. It's nice to get in the car that's got downforce again because this is what I'm used to. Hopefully I can get out there and get some good laps in and get ready for the race.
Of the best track in the US, and this year with a lot of traffic, the weather which is a bit challenging as well. It's going to be very tough out there, I have to say.
Yeah, so qualifying up today, the weather looks a bit changeable, which could spice it up. A long race, of course. Qualifying is not the most important point, but it would be nice to be somewhere up front.
Mixed condition qualifying, it's P5 at the end for us and P7 for the sister car. It doesn't really matter for the race, we need just to finish in front of them to be clinching the championship.
We finished P5, so it's a good starting position for a 10-hour race tomorrow. To try to get ready and keep our heads down for this.
It's incredible to be here on the grid, just to experience Petit is, I think, a dream for every driver, and I'm so thankful and excited for the moment.
It's full of cars, 52 cars starting, so every 82 meters we'll find a car.
I mean, obviously we'd like to be probably further up the front. We just got to try and survive the first 9 hours and see where we end up in the last hour.
We got caught up in an incident on track. Just got hit in the rear and obviously seen the replay, and 2 other cars collected each other, and then it took all of us out together, so not ideal, but sometimes this happens in racing.
Both rear corners in the gearbox, so it'll be a gearbox change for us and then we'll come back out. Obviously we don't have a shot at the title anymore. Big focus right now is on the 7 and winning the manufacturer championship for Porsche.
I got in the car like P8 or something. Had a really nice run through, made a lot of overtakes. In the end got us up to P3, which is really nice. There's cars hitting each other, there's dust, there's debris, there's all sorts going on. And we just keep going for the second half of the race now.
This place, Road Atlanta at night, is pure madness. It's just so fast, so many kind of up and down and a few blind corners and so on. So we're gonna see some actions, and I'm sure some crazy stuff happening.
Not the way we wanted to finish, but that's how racing goes. It just didn't go our way, but I'm still proud of the effort of everybody.
P2, yeah, to be honest, I think that's the best we could have done today. It was very close with the Mercedes towards the end.
And finishing the last race in IMSA on the podium is amazing, and man, I think we are a good team, we are 3.